I rode in this truck, y'all. Didn't even know they picked you up in the truck these days. Coming to pick up my car. I got my car back, y'all. Yay! Bill in hand. Like I said, an arm and a leg to get your car back. But the thing is, I got my car back and it's cheaper to keep her. As they say, it's cheaper to keep her. So I'm gonna keep her, y'all. Maybe I'll walk inside the dealership for a minute just so you and I can see what the new cars cost. Y'all, I had to turn on the horn so I would know where my car was, because they just park your car, give you the keys, and you don't know where your car is. It's like an Easter egg hunt. But there she is, y'all. My 2014 Buick Encore. Isn't she lovely? Y'all, I think I'm gonna leave her right there while I walk into the dealership to look at the new cars. Yeah, y'all. We gotta take advantage of these trips. Y'all see the genuine smile on my face? No more crazy talk about getting rid of my car no time soon. Y'all, it was a mess having to just walk to the store to get my stuff, because it costs so much more. You know, I feel blessed at the time to be able to go get my stuff at the corner store. But y'all, it's nothing like being able to have a choice of using your own car. And I didn't call a Uber or Lyft or anything like that, or a regular taxi, because they cost so much money. I need my money for living my life, supporting my project in Motherland. So I can't afford to be just spending money on transportation here. Okay, front of the dealership, y'all. Has a great location on Broadway, which is the main street in Galveston. It's just the island, y'all. And see what they have out front. Cadillac, so you know they got people here at least with a good credit rating, that they can afford these cars, or at least money to pay if they don't have good credit rating. Well, y'all, it's the difference of night and day, the prices. I had to take still shots of everything because they play that elevator music that'll get you a ping. Because you really can't take out the music out these videos without it taking away the voice as well. So I'm not good at editing, y'all. 70-year-olds, at least this 70-year-old, limited in the technology department. So I try to give myself less stress, y'all, to give y'all these videos as a one-woman show. No team. No shade on those that have money to do that, but I'm retired, y'all.